Bonjour tout le monde, je m'appelle Kushi. Now, as you know, there is around a week, let's say a week only, for your exams of HSC 12th Standard French. It is on 12th of February. So, I am coming with a schedule कि आप last day पे कैसे पढ़ाई करो from the last 2 days. So, on 10th of February, you have your English exam. You'll come home from the English exam. 3 to 4 p.m. You'll keep yourself time for sleeping or maybe relaxation, but please no mobile phones. Actually, you have to relax. Then 4 to 7 p.m. it will be your first short for study. Lesson number 1 to 3. Now in lesson 1 to 3, what will you do? You will do grammar and important textual question answers also and vocabulary also. So you will do what? You will do grammar, important textual, question answers and vocabulary. Then again, 7 to 7:30 break. You can go for some sport, you can play something, you can go for a walk listening to songs, that's it. Please do not indulge in chatting with someone. Okay. So 7:30 to 8:30 again, you'll this will be your short number 2, lesson number 4. Again, grammar and question answers and vocabulary also. I hope you have made a list for vocabulary of every lesson. If not, in these 7 days, you have ample of time to make vocabulary list of every lesson wise vocabulary list. Then moving ahead, 8:30 to 9:30 it will be your dinner break. So by now we have completed around 4 chapters with the grammar, with the vocabulary, with the question answers. Then also please note the time which I said, 4 to 7 p.m. this is up to you. 5 5 मिनट के ब्रेक्स लेकर मतलब 25 minutes you'll study, 5 minutes break, and then you will complete. But in the time slot of 4 to 7 p.m. आप जैसे भी चाहो, you have to complete the lesson 1 to 3. Coming back, 8:30 to 9:30 dinner break, then 9:30 to 10:30 p.m. lesson number 5. So we have completed all the lessons. Now sleep. 10:30 I'll say you study. उसके बाद आपका जो भी routine हो, you want to brush, you want to eat something, you want to have some, you want to eat something basically. So वो सब करके अपना थोड़ा सा फोन चला के sleep maximum by 11:15 p.m. Then 10th of February, 11th of February you'll do what? 7 o'clock wake up. 7 to 8 a.m. you'll freshen up आराम से. इट इसमें आपका क्या होता है, इफ यू स्लीप एट 11:15 यू गेट अराउंड 7:30, 7.5 hours ऑफ स्लीप ऑल्सो. सो 8:30 रेडी, 8 o'clock रेडी हो गए. 8 to 9 a.m. you will do what? Lesson number 6. Then moving ahead, here 9 to 9:30 you'll have again time for breakfast. Then now the important slot, 9:30 to 10:15 you'll prepare for blogs. I have made a separate video for blogs only, so you will prepare for blogs. You can refer to that video as well. If you have your own notes, you can refer to that as well. Then moving ahead, 10:30 to 11:30 you will do what? Email preparation. Blog हो गया, email हो गया. The writing skills, the 10 mark section is done. Then 12 noon to 1:30 p.m. you will do what? Lunch and power nap. लंच कर लिया, पावर नैप 1.5 घंटा सब हो जाएगा इसमें. देन यू वेकअप अगेन. मैंने फिर भी बफर टाइम रखा है हाफ एन आवर का. यू वेकअप बाय 2, कुछ भी, बट स्टार्ट स्टडिंग बाय 2. 2 to 3:30 civilization question and answers for all lessons. Okay, ये अपना वापस कर रहे हैं अपन. Then 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. you will revise what? Pronopersonal and pronorelative. You can revise or you can solve. Pronopersonal matlab all the 6 type of pronouns, and then you have pronorelative. Moving ahead, 5:30 to 7:30 you will solve a question paper. I know it is 3 hours, but um, if you solve it continuously or focus say 2 hours is enough for a French question paper. Then 8 to 9 p.m. you will have a dinner break. Then 9 to 10 p.m. चैप्टर 0 रिवाइज करोगे आप, क्योंकि इट हैज एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम 11th स्टैंडर्ड. इसमें सारे ग्रामर टॉपिक्स भी आएंगे जो आपके 11th स्टैंडर्ड में थे. देन 10 टू और 10:30 to 11 जो भी आपका थोड़ा बफर टाइम रखा है, चैप्टर 0 इज, उसमें बहुत सारे ग्रामर टॉपिक्स हैं, सो यू माइट रिक्वायर एक्स्ट्रा टाइम. तो Considering that, you will keep what? I'll give you half an hour ka buffer. Then 10:30 to 11 p.m. You will have time for 10:30 11 you'll read what textbook में translate फ्रेंच टू इंग्लिश, इंग्लिश टू फ्रेंच। मतलब आपका अगर लेसन सिर्फ 10 बजे खत्म हो रहा है तो वहां से लेके 11 बजे तक, एंड 10:30 बजे खत्म हो रहा है तो वहां से लेके 11 बजे तक यू विल रीड फॉर ट्रांसलेशन। दैट इज फॉर 8 मार्क्स। देन नेक्स्ट डे जितना भी टाइम बचे, जो भी आप जब भी उठो, ऑल टेंसेस यू हैव टू रिवाइज। इट इंक्लूड्स व्हाट? प्रेजेंट में इरेगुलर वर्ब्स यू विल हैव रेगुलर वर्ब्स। मूविंग अहेड, futur proche, passé récent, passé composé, futur simple, imperative is a mood, it is not a tense, but yet imperative, present conditional, and any other topic which is needed. Do let me know in the comment section which video do you want from my side, what help do you want from my side, and also please let me know in the comment section, do you want me to conduct a live session or a class um for paper solving. Keep studying. We'll make your parents proud. Thank you.